Today, I'm showing you how to enable AutoScroll on TikTok on your Android device so videos scroll automatically without swiping. Let's get started. Step 1. Update TikTok. Before starting, open the Google Play Store and search for TikTok. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Tap Update if available. Step 2. Open TikTok. Open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Step 3. Go to For You page. Make sure you're on the For You page by tapping the Home icon at the bottom left of the screen. Step 4. Long press screen. On the For You page, long press anywhere on the screen. Hold your finger down for 2 to 3 seconds. Step 5. Open menu. A menu appears with several options at the bottom of the screen. Step 6. Look for AutoScroll. Look for the AutoScroll icon. It looks like an upward pointing arrow or scroll symbol, usually on the right side of the menu options. Step 7. Enable AutoScroll. Tap on the AutoScroll icon to turn on the feature. Step 8. AutoScroll is now enabled. TikTok will automatically scroll to the next video when the current one finishes playing. Step 9. Watch TikTok videos hands-free. You can now watch TikTok with AutoScroll enabled on your Android device for hands-free viewing. And that's it. Now you can enjoy TikTok with AutoScroll enabled on your Android device for hands-free viewing.